Hello, everyone. My name is Dwayna Respit Palmer. I'm sure most of you all know that by now. A little refresher about my internship placement. I'm at a county hospital. I'm on the fourth floor, which is a general admissions floor. So it can range from patients anywhere from 18 and up, with different various medical conditions such as cardiac conditions, amputations, seizures, strokes, any type of conditions you can think of. My floor provides care for, as well as if you've been downgraded from the ICU, you could get downgraded to my floor. One of the things I've enjoyed about my placement is the fact that I feel like I'm doing something productive and that is contributing to the health and well-being of my patients. And I'm learning a lot. I'm learning skills and I'm getting an experience that I feel like I could take with me outside of Widener and into real practice. I do see myself as a medical social worker in the future, and I feel like I'm really learning and honing in on skills that I could utilize after graduation. One of the areas where I feel is most challenging is time management. There's times when I feel like I'm running out of time, especially since I'm there only 2.5 days a week. I feel like there's times when I'm leaving work undone or I'm leaving questions unanswered. And I try to answer and do as much as I can in the time frame that I'm available for, but there are things that I have to hand off to my supervisor, or I might not be able to see the outcome of all the work that I put in when it comes to discharge planning. Uh, One of the things I learned the most at my field place about myself is that I'm really invested in the health and the well-being of my patients. I'm a strong and stark advocate for healthy discharges, safe discharges back to the community, or safe discharges to facility placement. I really enjoy the work that I do, and I really enjoy who I do it for. So I think that matters, once you move forward, is that you can actually see yourself doing, the type of work you're doing at your internship in the future. So I do feel like I am, being productive, and I'm learning, and I'm really enjoying my time there. To the point where, I hope I do get hired at my internship, or someplace like my internship, maybe at another hospital. Another thing that I'm learning about myself is like I'm learning to find my voice, especially like working with an interdisciplinary team with other doctors and other professionals, being able to find my voice because I was timid and shy in the beginning. So being able to assert myself, being able to sit there and, be a part of the decision making process and letting the team know, like, hey, I'm here. I'm somebody that has knowledge and value, can add value to the team. And I think they're starting to see that in me as well. So we're almost finished, and I cannot wait to be done.